I am checking why this oil is here. If it's hydraulic, this means it has been leaked in this compartment. It's lying here. It should not be here because clutch plate is in this compartment, and clutch plate should not be wet with oil. And I'm going to open this just to see if clutch plate has anything on it, any oil or something. So that's my understanding. So oil should not be in this compartment, only grease for clutch plate bearing and like tiny amount of grease, not a whole bunch of oil. Or it may be coming from the steering gearbox. Somehow this compartment I see is splashed with oil, and in the bottom there's a tiny bit of, not tiny bit, it's a significant amount of oil that can do harm to the clutch plate. And that's the first observation I have this morning. So today I'm going to proceed. So that is a different issue, so I need to figure out how to address this. Maybe once my engine is running, is complete, then before installing it back, I can address if there is a seal is needed or something. I need to prevent this oil leak. Otherwise, I think I'll proceed with this engine and put it on the engine mount. After removing the flywheel and clutch plate, then it's going to be mounted on the engine mount, and I'll proceed. That's all. Thank you. Bye.